Welcome back, children. Now, today we started page 44. This is the video of today's online class, whatever I taught you on page 44 and 45. So, Father Wolf. Now, what happened in the last video? I explained you that Mother Wolf was asking the Father Wolf to bring that man cub, this child, to her. So, Father Wolf, what he did, Father Wolf's jaw closed right on child's back, and not even a tooth scratched the skin as he laid it down among the cubs. Now, what happened? The Father Wolf, he brought the child, and how he brought, because obviously they don't have hands, so how did he brought the child? Through his jaw. Jaw means jabda. जो जबड़ा होता है, मुंह होता है जो, जैसे this is the jabda, this is the jaw of the animal. So this is the jaw. Through his jaw he carried that baby boy, and without harming him, not even the tooth scratched the skin of the baby, and he brought him and laid him down among the cubs, the babies of the wolf. So उसने क्या किया, जो wolf के बच्चे हैं उनके बीच में उसको रख दिया. So he laid him among the cubs. Now Mother Wolf said, how little, how naked, and how bold. Now she's saying how little, how small, how naked. Okay, how naked means because he was not wearing any clothes. How naked and how bold. How bold? Why bold? Because in this dense forest, in this scary forest, this child is alone. So he is kind of brave. ठीक है, he is kind of brave. That is why इसने bold बोला है. That is why Mother Wolf has said that he is so bold that he is not even frightened. He is laughing. He is smiling and laughing. That is why she is saying that how bold, said Mother Wolf softly. The baby was pushing his way between the cubs to get close to the warm hide. Means he was playing. Now he was playing among the cubs. So he was pushing the cubs and he was trying to get in the cave. वो cave में अंदर जाने की कोशिश में. So he was pushing the cubs. So he was pushing the cubs. So the moonlight. Now what happened? Now came the Sher Khan. So moonlight was blocked out of the mouth of the cave, for Sher Khan's great square head and shoulders were thrust into the entrance. Tabaki behind him was squeaking, my lord, it went in here. Now, what is the moonlight? The light of the moon. It was blocked. Now, how it was blocked? The moonlight, जो चांद की रोशनी थी, वो कहाँ आ रही थी? वो cave के अंदर. It was coming inside the cave. वो cave के अंदर उसके entrance से आ रही थी. This was the mouth. ठीक है, जो यहाँ पे आपने पिछले देखा था, this was the mouth of the cave, and the moonlight was entering from this mouth of the cave. It was entering inside the cave, so it was blocked. जब आप लाइट के सामने खड़े हो जाते हो, you block that light. Same way it was blocked by whom? Sher Khan, because now Sher Khan has come. Now Sher Khan, his square head. Now अगर आप टाइगर का सिर देखते हो, it looks like a square shape. ऐसे शेप में दिखता है. दिस इज द स्क्वायर. सो आप इस शेप में ऐसा लगता है कि आपका जो टाइगर का शेप है, फेस है, इट इज़ लाइक द स्क्वायर शेप. सो it was blocked. What was blocked? Moonlight that was entering in the cave. It was blocked. It was blocked by the Sher Khan's square head and shoulders, because it were thrust into the entrance, because he was forcing to enter the cave. वो क्या कर रहा था? वो cave में अंदर आने की कोशिश कर रहा था. He was trying to enter the cave. And Tabaki, what was the name of the jackal? Tabaki. He was standing behind. वो पीछे खड़ा था. He was standing behind and he was squeaking. He was shouting in a very sharp voice. Squeaking means shouting in a very sharp voice. He was shouting, my lord, it went in here. What is it here? The baby. So he's saying that my lord. Why he's saying my lord? Because he was frightened. क्योंकि शेर से, टाइगर से हर कोई डरता है. टाइगर, वी कॉल लायन एंड द टाइगर, वी कॉल देम द किंग ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट, बिकॉज बाकी सारे जितने भी वाइल्ड एनिमल्स हैं सब उससे डरते हैं. दे आर ऑल स्केर्ड. सो जैकल वॉज ऑल्सो स्केर्ड. सो ही सेड माई लॉर्ड, इट वेंट इन हियर. द बेबी वेंट इन हियर. वो इस गुफे में अंदर गया है. इट वेंट इन हियर. Now Sher Khan does us great honor. Who said this? Father Wolf. Now Father Wolf, he was very very angry, but his eyes were very angry. His eyes were very angry. He said that शेर खान does us great honor. हम पे मेहरबान हो जाओ, हम पे तरस खाओ. Now he was saying, but he was in angry. Understood? In an angry mood. He was saying with his angry eyes. वो गुस्से में था, and he was saying that हम पे कुछ तरस खाओ. And what do you need? What does शेर खान need? तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? शेर खान, what do you need? Now he is saying, Father Wolf is saying, what do you need? Now Sher Khan says, my prey. Now he is saying, my prey. My prey. P-R-E-Y. ठीक है? P-R-E-Y means शिकार. The one which the animal wants to hunt. उसका शिकार करना चाहता है. That is prey. That is called as prey. My prey. Prey here is some prey here जो वो मार के खाना चाहता है. That is prey. Understood? That is prey. उसको हम बोलते हैं prey. My prey. A man's cub went this way. Now he is saying that मेरा शिकार जिसको मैंने खाना था. It was a man cub. वो एक human being, एक इंसान का छोटा बच्चा था. It went this way. वो यहाँ आया था. It went this way. Said Sher Khan. Who said this? This was said by the Sher Khan. Its parents have run off. Give it to me. Now he is saying, इसके parents भाग गए हैं. ठीक है, जंगल में से छोड़ के भाग गए हैं. Give it to me. वो मेरा है. It's my prey. मुझे दो. ठीक है, वो मेरा शिकार है. Give it to me. Now Father Wolf knew that the mouth of the cave was too narrow. I explained you what is narrow. Narrow is thin, very small, बहुत छोटा. ठीक है. So Father Wolf को पता था that the mouth of the cave, the entrance of the cave, the mouth जो जहाँ से वो हम enter करते हैं cave में, that was too narrow. वो बहुत thin था. He knew that tiger will not be able to enter. He knew that tiger उसमें enter नहीं कर पाएगा. Tiger उसमें अंदर नहीं आ पाएगा. So he said, the wolves are free people. Said Father Wolf. ठीक है. Now he is saying that wolves are free people. We are free people. हम भेड़िए, हम कौन है? हम आज़ाद लोग हैं. We are free people. Now he is saying they take orders from the head of the pack. Now he is saying that हम किससे ऑर्डर लेते हैं? हम हमेशा हमारे जो सरदार है, हमारे जो झुंड का सरदार होता है, हेड ऑफ द पैक, वी ऑलवेज टेक ऑर्डर फ्रॉम देम. आप मुझसे ये भी पूछते थे व्हाट इज मैम वुल्फ पैक. नाउ पैक आप इंग्लिश में कलेक्टिव नाउन करोगे. व्हेन यू विल डू कलेक्टिव नाउन, किसी भी चीज़ का कलेक्शन मतलब एक साथ बहुत सारे हैं. जब एक साथ बहुत सारे वुल्फ आते हैं, हम उनको बोलते हैं पैक. ठीक है, वी कॉल देम पैक. इन हिंदी वी कॉल देम भेड़ियों का झुंड. ठीक है, वी कॉल देम पैक. हम इसको इंग्लिश में वी कॉल इट पैक ऑफ वुल्फ. ठीक है, वी कॉल देम पैक ऑफ वुल्फ. सो दिस इज झुंड, जैसे भेड़ियों का झुंड. ठीक है, सो पैक ऑफ वुल्फ. सो every झुंड, every pack has its own head. उनका एक हेड होता है, एक सरदार होता है, एक हेड होता है जिससे वो ऑर्डर लेते हैं अपने. मीन्स ओनली दैट हेड कैन ऑर्डर द पैक, द रेस्ट ऑफ द पैक. सो ही इज सेइंग दैट वी आर फ्री पीपल. वी डू नॉट टेक एनी ऑर्डर्स फ्रॉम यू. हम कोई ऑर्डर तुमसे नहीं लेंगे. वी कैन नॉट टेक एनी ऑर्डर फ्रॉम यू. वी विल टेक ओनली ऑर्डर. We will take the order of the head of our pack and not from any striped cattle killer. Now what is a stripe is a design of the tiger के body पे design होती है ना, ऐसे ऐसे stripes होती है. That is why he is saying striped means you. Cattle killer means cattle killer because उसने हमने last time इसमें किया था that he killed the cattle. So that is why he is saying that you are a cattle killer. We don't take any order from you. We will not take any order from you. The man cubs is ours to kill if we choose. Now he is saying that वो इंसान का बच्चा हमारा है, and if we want we will kill it. वो हमारी मर्जी होगी, वो हमारा चॉइस होएगा, हमारी मर्जी होएगी. हम देखेंगे हमने उसको क्या करना है, हमने उसे मारना है या जिंदा रखना है. दैट इज़ आवर चॉइस बिकॉज हमें ये पहले मिला है. वी हैव गॉट इट फर्स्ट. वी हैव फाउंड इट फर्स्ट. सो वी विल कीप इट. No, the child is mine. Now the Sher Khan is shouting. He is saying, no, the child is mine. It is I, Sher Khan, who speaks. उसने बिल्कुल ही अपने पूरे घमंड के साथ बोला that I am very powerful. मेरे से लोग डरते हैं, मेरे से the wild animals, they are also very much scared of me. So he was very very proud, you can say. ही वॉज वेरी वेरी प्राउड. वो घमंड में आके कहता है कि इट इज़ आई शेर खान हु स्पीक्स, ये मैं बोल रहा हूँ. इट इज़ आई शेर खान हु स्पीक, सेड द टाइगर. द टाइगर रोर, द टाइगर्स रोर. नाउ व्हाट इज रोर? दहाड़ना. जो इसका दहाड़ने की जो आवाज़ होती है, दैट इज टाइगर्स रोर. फिल्ड द केव विथ थंडर, फिल्ड द केव विथ थंडर. जो पूरा केव है, पूरी जो गुफा है, वो टाइगर के दहाड़ने से गूंजने लग गई. इट स्टार्टेड echoing, the roar of the tiger, it started echoing in the cave. Now Mother Wolf shook herself clear of the cubs and sprang forward, her eyes like two green moons in the darkness, facing the blazing eyes of Sher Khan. Now what happened that अब क्या हुआ, मदर वुल्फ ने जब देखा, मदर वुल्फ शुक हरसेल्फ क्लियर ऑफ द कप्स. मतलब वो जब कब्स से घिरी हुई थी, शी वॉज सराउंडेड बाय हर बेबी कप्स. तो उसने क्या किया, उसने सबको पीछे हटाया, सारे कप्स को उसने पीछे हटाया. शी जस्ट केम फॉरवर्ड, वो बिल्कुल आगे आई. एंड देन शी शोड हर ग्रीन आइज, इट वर लुकिंग लाइक ग्रीन मून्स. शी शोड हर ग्रीन आइज इन द डार्कनेस and she faced the blazing eye. Blazing means it was very very, blazing means actually burning. Blazing का मतलब होता है जलना. So blazing eyes of Sher Khan means it was very very fearful, डरावना था, scared eyes. So she faced those blazing eyes of Sher Khan and said, now she said, and it is I, Mother Wolf, who answers. Now she is saying, ये मैं हूँ, I am the Mother Wolf. I am saying the man cub is mine. वो जो इंसान का छोटा बच्चा है वो मेरा है, दैट इज माइन. नाउ शी इज सेइंग शेर खान, इट इज माइन, ही शैल नॉट बी किल्ड. नाउ शी इज सेइंग दैट ये मरेगा नहीं, ही शैल नॉट बी किल्ड, ही शैल लिव विद द पैक. वो पैक के साथ रहेगा, वो झुंड के साथ रहेगा, वो मेरे और जितने कब्स हैं उसके साथ रहेगा. ही विल लिव एंड टू हंट विद द पैक. ही विल लव, he will live with the pack and he will hunt with the pack. मतलब वो hunt करेगा, पैक के साथ शिकार करेगा, वो झुंड के साथ शिकार करेगा. he will hunt with the pack and in the end, और आखिरी में, last, in the end, he will hunt you. वो तुम्हें भी मार डालेगा. he will kill you, he will hunt you. Now please go. Now she is saying that now go away, now go away from here. Okay, so he is mine. Now Mother Wolf is saying this.